Hey, it's Brian Engel with the Chris Fritch team at eXp Realty. And in this video, I'm going to go over one of the things that a lot of buyers really don't think about is they look at the price of the property they're looking for, but they don't look at what properties in that area have sold. So let me show you really quick how to do that. I'm going to pull up a property that I'm working with. We went and did a showing on, and it's okay. It's not for rent. It's actually for sale. Here we go. So here's one thing that you're going to see every once in a while, not all the time, but you're going to see this is listed for $200,000. The price was cut by $65,000. So that makes me go, okay, what's going on here? So there's either a major problem with the property, or they're trying to create a multiple offer situation and kind of create a buying bid, almost like an auction, but you only get one bid. So what I do is I basically go to that area, and then instead of looking at for sale properties, look at the sold properties and then apply that. And this property was right in this complex. You can zoom in and you can see if there's not a sold property. So like this one is right here, I believe. Yeah, 10665. So the value on it that Zillow is putting on is 193,600 because it's been priced at 200,000. So that's misleading. What you have to do is go in and look at, number one, make sure, so this one is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So you need to make sure, number one, you're applying the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. You can even go in and select, is it, it's a townhouse. So I'm going to just select apply, and it's basically surrounded by townhouses. But what you can see is you can look at the value of the other units, 270, 278, 260. The yellow ones are what have sold in this area fairly recently. So again, you're looking at 250, 250, 275. So even though this one's listed at 200,000, I would probably recommend an offer, in the probably mid 200s. Probably 250 is what's going to sell it, would be my guess. So that's just one way to kind of keep your eye on properties, but also take a look at what's going on around it, because that's what an appraiser is going to do. When an appraiser is coming out to give a valuation of the property, they're going to look at comparable listings, properties that are active on the market, and then they're also going to look at recent solds. So as much as basically 6 months back. In today's market, we try to do like 90 days just to keep it accurate, and the market has been shifting quite a bit. We are in a buyer's market right now, but if interest rates drop down to the mid 5s, it's going to be a buyer's or a seller's market. Sellers are going to come back into the market, and so are buyers. So just an idea of what you should offer on a property when it's priced really low. Thanks for joining me. I hope this was helpful.